Hi guys, it's Chris back again with another RVi trip tip. Today we're going to take a look at the lights on the Breakaway Wireless Adapter and what they mean. Let's dive in. The very first thing you're going to notice when you hook your Breakaway Wireless Adapter up to the battery is a flashing blue light. If this blue light is ever solid, or if it's simply not on, please contact RVi customer service, as we'll need to walk through some troubleshooting with you. The other important thing to note is that this blue light will continue to flash even when you're not towing. However, since it only draws milliamps of power, it's not a concern for your battery unless you leave your vehicle alone for many days on end. On the other side of the unit, you'll see another LED. This LED indicates whether or not we are connected to an RVi Break 3. When you initially plug your breakaway cable in, you'll see this light flash several times. This is completely normal. Once you're connected and paired to your RVi Break 3, you'll see this light turn to a solid green color. If you don't see the solid green light on this side, then that means that we're not currently connected to an RVi Break 3. So to recap, you're going to want to see a flashing blue light on the right-hand side of the Breakaway Wireless Adapter and a solid green light on the left-hand side when you're connected to your RVi Break 3. As long as you see these two lights and your breakaway cable is plugged in, you are ready to tow.